friends, welcome back to Mandala. So today I'm going to show you how to draw a simple Arabic mandala design which everyone can try, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button below for further notifications of my new videos. Hello and welcome back to Mandala, and I'm Sharon, and by watching my videos you're going to know how to make henna cones, nail cones, aftercare balms and other products related to henna, and also you're going to learn more about henna designing, new types of henna painting, henna portraits and all about henna. So stay connected with me and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And also if you want to know all this thing and want to have more new designs and all, then stay with me, follow my Instagram page. It is also called Mehndi Love and the link is in the description of this video. This design is a kind of mandala design, but actually mandala designs come into the category of Indian mehendi designs, but actually this is Arabic mehendi design, and so we can say this is a mixture of Indian and Arabic design or a modern kind of design. So let me show you something. Somebody is watching me filming my video. Let me show who is that. This is my best companion and his name is Sulla, and I love this cat very much. So let's come back to our design. So we were talking about Arabic mandala designs or modern designs, and by watching this video or by watching any other video of mine, you feel some doubt or you want something more, or you want me to film any other kind of videos, or you have any kind of suggestions or doubts or anything, then feel free to ask me, and I'm always available for you. And I'm really looking forward into reading all the comments of this video, and also I'm really looking forward into reading all the DMs in my Instagram page. And also if you are ready, you too also check out my comment box, because when I feel that I have missed out something regarding this design or something, then I used to add that in my comment box. So checking my comment box can really be helpful for you to get more informations. So today I came up with this simple kind of Arabic design, because usually I used to do many intricate Indian designs, bridal work, bridal designs, Arabic designs and all, portrait designs, face portraiting, and also today I thought the festival time is coming, Eid is coming, Rakhi Bandhan is coming, and many other kind of festivals are coming in your place. So I thought if I could make something smaller or simple, then it will be really helpful for the normal people, the henna artist also. So you can just give this henna to your children so they can try them out. So I thought I will do something simple this time. So thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, stay tuned and see you in the next video.